process you went through to determine whether Ms. Huang was qualified out of the position?
We do a residency check, we do a tax check, we do a review with the state bar as to whether they are lawyers in good standing with the state bar.
And
beyond that, it is a mayoral appointment.
Yeah, and there's a minimum requirement of being licensed for so many years.
Yes, sir.
And that's what you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mayor.
Councilman Kuba.
Mayor, with my concern of the municipal court is that there be harmony and harmony in the community. And you, all of you know on this council table, around this table, how I have tried to make that the courts to be effective and to serve the community. I don't have any reason other than what I have heard from the community about this division on this nomination. Mayor, I asked you yesterday if you would consider withdrawing it, and I understand why you didn't. But I don't want to vote for somebody that's going to add any confusion in our court system that's already in a place where I believe we need help. So I'll be voting no on this nomination.
Councilman Costello.
Thank you, Mayor. I just want to follow up the questions of Councilmember Pennington and an allegation of what Councilmember Wynn has said about this particular candidate. Could you again refresh my memory? She is practicing law currently.
I don't know what she's doing currently, whether she is or not currently.
So we do not know if she has a resume of practicing law. We just know
Yes,
that she's in good standing.
It is my belief that she has a resume of practicing law. She also clearly meets all of the qualifications laid out in the ordinance for appointments to municipal court. One of the reasons that we have a process not always followed in previous administrations, but that everybody starts off at the part-time level so that we can actually test their judicial demeanor before they become full-time judges.
Thank you.
Councilman Green.
Thank you, Mayor. Obviously, this is a mayoral appointment, and so council has had an opportunity to vet in this particular nominee. Wanted to know whether or not your office is comfortable. Obviously, a segment of the community has challenges with this particular appointment. Wanted to know whether or not your office is vetted, whether or not a particular judge will have a problem if any one of these members of the community come before the bench and is able to be, a proper lawyer, without any type of. I mean, are you reassured that she will be able to do that?
Councilmembers, before the judges will take an oath, and they are bound to remove themselves if they don't feel that they can judge impartially.
You're comfortable.
I am. Now, frankly, I don't know that I've ever made an appointment in a Vietnamese community where I didn't have somebody show up down here and protest.
Thank you.
Further discussion? Councilmember Brett.
Thank you, Mayor. Good morning. I think it's fair to say that when you either there is proper cause or at least reasonable suspicion to question what's on the candidate's resume or not. I've had a chance to review her resume, and I've done some research on my own, and I didn't find anything to lead this council member to refute or question what is on her resume. And if her resume is accurate, then the resume reflects that she's been a member of the bar since 2005. She's a member in good standing with the bar since 2005. And also the practice of law goes beyond in court as a litigator each day. Many lawyers, most of us choose not to do that. But until an attorney, I still practice law. And her resume reflects the fact that she does practice law. I don't know because I haven't gone out to her office and checked her files, but if the resume is reflective of what is actually the case, then she does practice law. The other issue has to do with the resume reflects that she served as a special commissioner, part of a hearing process examining eminent domain cases for Harris County. If that's true or not, I don't know, but that's what's reflected on the resume. In addition to that, this appointment is an appointment that's proffered by the mayor. Just like the mayor has her prerogative in offering appointments, council from time to time. Though rare, but there are a few occasions where council gets to offer appointments. And I would want council appointments to be advanced forward like the mayor's appointment should be advanced forward unless there's real evidence, not just somebody's opinion. I don't feel, I don't believe, I don't think. No, put that to the side. There's no evidence of felony convictions, of serious crime, crimes of moral turpitude, none of that. If there's evidence of crimes of moral turpitude, point it out. If there's felonies, point it out. Give me the objective reason other than I feel, I believe, I think. The thing about experience, no one had experience until you were given an opportunity to get that experience, whether that's as a judge or as an attorney. So having said that, I think that this council member doing my research hasn't found reason to reject this mayoral's appointment in this particular instance. So I'm going to stand down at this point, and if there's someone has something other than, I think, I believe, I feel, whether it's coming from one of my colleagues or somebody from the community. I think, I believe, I feel, that's good, but it's not probative enough evidence to reject somebody who has served in the community. And my big thing is, she's a member in good standing with the bar. She brings to the courts also another skill, language skills, cultural background that we need terribly, I think, in our judicial process over there. So I'm going to stand down and listen for a rebuttal, if there are any, to my position for offer. Thank you.